Thank you, Glenn. New at noon, suspended Palm Beach County Clerk of Court Michael Caruso will stay in jail without bond after appearing before a judge this morning.
Caruso faces 5 felony charges involving allegations that he sexually abused an underage relative. Our Jolie Rodriguez was in court and joins us live now from West Palm Beach. Jolie, what else happened in court?
Well, this morning, Michael Caruso left that courtroom still in custody. The judge denied bond and set strict no contact orders for the alleged victim, the victim's immediate family, witnesses, or anyone under 18.
I have never met Mr. Caruso.
All right, Mr. Caruso, you are wanted on out of Orange County.
Wednesday's hearing was Caruso's first appearance since his arrest involving sexual abuse allegations to a minor. And the big question was whether the judge would grant him bond.
Would you be willing to entertain any discussion or argument regarding an extradition bond?
No, sir, not based upon the nature and extent of these particular charges.
The judge said the seriousness of the charges and the allegations in the arrest warrant warranted keeping Caruso in jail. The Orange County warrant also does not allow bond.
There is no time limit as far as the Orange County officials are to pick you up. However, we do set a recheck date, normally in approximately 2 weeks, unless either side wishes otherwise.
The judge set a September 2nd recheck date, but said there is no deadline for Orange County officials to pick Caruso up for transfer. The judge also issued strict no contact orders. Caruso cannot contact the alleged victim, the victim's immediate family, or witnesses in the case. He also cannot have contact with anyone under 18. The charges follow an FDLE investigation into allegations made by a relative who is a minor. The report claims Caruso sexually abused the child more than once. Caruso has since denied those allegations. Following his arrest, the governor suspended Caruso from his position as Palm Beach County Clerk and Comptroller. Now, another detail from today's hearing, the judge listed out on the record that he does not know or has met Caruso other than the fact that he knew him as the former role that he had as clerk of court here in Palm Beach County. Of course, we will continue to follow this case as it moves forward. Reporting live from the Palm Beach County Jail, Jolie Rodriguez, WPBF 25 News.